Hello YouTube viewers, how are you? Today I'm going to show you some sketches / gouache drawings I did a few days ago. These are a few portraits of my dear friend, and this dear friend is very hard for me to draw. Usually I have such strong feeling and it's very hard for me to express my feelings in a drawing. Every time I draw him, it doesn't seem to me like it's good enough. So usually he's too dear to me, so I can't draw him. And lately, I've been getting a bit loose. I've been telling myself, this is a face you are going to draw many times in your life, and you should get used to draw him any way in any form you like. So this was kind of a workout for me to get used to drawing my dear friend this way. So I've been lately trying to draw with gouache in a very diluted way. I've been trying this because I've been wondering how white gouache with a bit of tint would add to a drawing. It creates, in my opinion, like a velvety wash of watercolor. In my opinion, it's very pretty. It even expresses something that watercolor don't necessarily always express or show. I was not waiting enough time for the paint to dry and it was a bit messy. I've been trying to sketch and show the sketch through the gouache, and I think it creates something very, very nice, and I like it, and I think I'm going to try using it with colored pencils as well. My love for portraits started around 2 years ago. I think I did a self-portrait and I got kind of good criticism about it, and I felt like I'm kind of proud of it. So I've decided to continue with the portraits. So at first, my portraits were very, very lousy. I didn't manage to do it correct or proportional. The moment that I started drawing portraits and really liking my proportions and my style was after I did around 50 portraits in 10 days. And the moment I started liking the way I draw portrait, I started doing them non-stop. Now, for a different topic, I'll say I need to find new ways to improve my editing. I find my editing not very light or fun. I want to continue and have more interesting things to create with the video. And anyone has any suggestions, I would love for you to send me. You can send me via email or direct on Instagram. Well, have a nice day and a brilliant week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. you.